How to log out of Lenovo account. Now, if you are having problems in order to log out of the Lenovo account, you just simply need to open any of your browser and open the website of lenovo.com in there. In order to do that, just simply search for Lenovo in there. Then this lenovo.com website will appear in the very top. Simply open link in order to open the website. And after that, the Lenovo website will be opened up and your account will be logged in here. Just simply tap into this profile icon from the top right side in order to log out of your account. Then you can see your account in here. If you scroll down a little bit, you are gonna see the option of sign out. Tap to sign out button, and then after tapping in the sign out button, your account will successfully be logged out of your Lenovo. Now, if this is not working, then you should consider clearing the cache or updating your browser where you are using Lenovo's website, or if you are using the application of Lenovo, you should try to uninstall and reinstall the application. So this is how you can very easily do it. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.